Did you know that berries are nutritional powerhouses? Packed with antioxidants, these little gems can help your body fight off nasty things like free radicals. Free radicals can damage your cells, but antioxidants are like superheroes that protect your body. That's why it's great to include berries in your diet. This essay is your guide to making the best berry smoothie ever. We'll unlock the secrets to a delicious and healthy treat. Get ready to blend your way to a healthier you. Lots of people struggle to find smoothie recipes that are both tasty and good for you. Some recipes are full of sugar and unhealthy ingredients. We're here to change that. Get ready to learn how to make a smoothie that's bursting with flavor and packed with nutrients. It's time to ditch the sugary drinks and embrace the goodness of berries. Let's get blending. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, oh my! Each berry brings its own unique flavor and health benefits to the smoothie party. Let's explore the wonderful world of berries. Strawberries. These heart-shaped delights are a good source of vitamin C, which is great for your immune system. They also contain antioxidants that can help protect your heart. Blueberries. Tiny but mighty blueberries are packed with antioxidants. They're also known for their potential brain-boosting benefits. Raspberries. These delicate berries are a good source of fiber, which is important for digestion. They also contain vitamin C and manganese, a mineral that helps with bone health. Remember, you can mix and match different berries to create your own unique flavor combinations. Get creative and experiment with different ratios to find your perfect blend. While berries are the stars of the show, adding other ingredients can enhance the flavor and nutritional value of your smoothie. Here are a few ideas. Spinach or kale. Don't worry, you won't taste the greens. Adding a handful of spinach or kale boosts the vitamin and mineral content without overpowering the berry flavor. Banana. For extra creaminess and natural sweetness, add half a banana to your smoothie. Bananas are also a good source of potassium, an electrolyte that helps regulate fluid balance. Greek yogurt. A dollop of Greek yogurt adds protein and calcium to your smoothie, making it a more filling and satisfying meal or snack. Chia seeds or flax seeds. These tiny seeds are nutritional powerhouses, providing fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Feel free to experiment with other ingredients like nut butter, oats, or protein powder to customize your smoothie to your liking. Section 4. The art of the smoothie, blending your masterpiece. Now the exciting part, it's time to transform these colorful ingredients into a delicious smoothie. Listen to your blender roar as it effortlessly mixes the berries, creating a symphony of vibrant colors. First, add your choice of liquid to the blender. Almond milk, coconut milk, or even just water will work. Next, toss in your favorite berries. Remember, the more variety, the merrier. Now for the secret weapons. Add a handful of spinach for an extra vitamin boost. You won't even taste it, I promise. A dollop of Greek yogurt will make your smoothie extra creamy. Finally, hit that blend button and watch the magic happen. The colors will swirl together into a beautiful masterpiece. You'll know it's ready when it's nice and smooth. Section 5. Cheers to health. Congratulations on blending your very own berry smoothie. You've created a delicious and nutritious drink that will energize your body. Remember, the key to a great smoothie is using fresh, high-quality ingredients and having fun with the process. Share your smoothie creations with friends and family. Spread the joy of healthy living one delicious sip at a time. Encourage them to experiment with different flavor combinations and find their own favorites. Don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes and lifestyle tips. Let's embark on a journey of deliciousness and well-being together. Cheers to a healthier, happier you. Section 6. Enjoying your smoothie masterpiece. Now that you've created your perfect blend, it's time to savor the moment. Pour your smoothie into your favorite glass and take a moment to appreciate its vibrant color. Take a sip and let the flavors explode in your mouth. The sweetness of the berries, the tanginess of the yogurt, the refreshing coolness, it's a symphony for your taste buds. Remember that this smoothie is not just a treat, it's a gift to your body. You're fueling yourself with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Every sip is a step towards a healthier and happier you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your well-deserved smoothie masterpiece.